Honorable members, I extend my most profound salutations on this auspicious occasion of Rajya Sabha Day. The Council of States, our esteemed Rajya Sabha, stands dignified as the House of Elders, the distinguished upper chamber of our parliamentary democracy. As the quintessential edifice of India's federal architecture, this venerable institution ensures comprehensive representation, equilibrium in governance, and the cultivation of contemplative sagacity. Rajya Sabha endures as a distinguished forum where provincial perspectives and specialized expertise converge to enrich our national trajectory. As the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi astutely remarked during the 250th session, while the Rajya Sabha may be designated as the second house, it remains unequivocally paramount in its significance. The Parliament stands as our Polaris, our unwavering North Star, illuminating the path forward during the nation's most formidable challenges, serving as a beacon of guidance through turbulent times. This commemorative occasion beckons us to consecrate ourselves anew to preserving the illustrious traditions that ought to characterize this magnificent institution, which, unlike the Lok Sabha, maintains its perennial continuity. The gravitas of this institution
it's 0 hour or 0 half hour, sir.
and
0 hour is 0 half hour.
honorable member, don't make light of a very serious occasion. It's a very, very important occasion. We have to go to our roots. The gravitas of this institution and the erudition and expertise of its distinguished members remain of transcendent importance. I implore the honorable members to exemplify consummate conduct through excellence, unwavering devotion, steadfast commitment, profound scholarship, and discourse that stimulates intellectual contemplation and enlightenment. The exemplary standard must manifest with immediacy for the citizenry at large. The Rajya Sabha must serve as the paradigmatic archetype for the legislative bodies throughout the largest republic on the planet. On this momentous occasion, I exhort all members to reaffirm their solemn covenant to constructive deliberation, erudite discourse, and collaborative statecraft. Let us remain resolute in safeguarding the sanctity of this august assembly and fortifying the democratic foundations of our great nation, Bharat. Message from Lok Sabha, Secretary General.